haha are so funny. Yeah? Yeah, they are? Yeah, they're really funny. Oh my god, Dad! Dad! Oh my god, what? It better not be about you just hit 1 million Instagram followers. Dad, no, it's really bad. I just got a tornado warning on my phone. Oh my gosh, we better get home really fast. Okay, come on, let's go. Oh my dog. Get him. Dad, how do you know that for sure? Why would we come to a place that has like tornado warnings in it anyway? We didn't know. Hey Pixie, you wanna ask Violet if she could play with us with your humongous batch of toys? Yeah, go ask her. Okay, come, let's go. Hey Violet. What do you guys want? Do you want to play toys with me and Pixie? No. I'm studying for my exam tomorrow. Look, please. No! Fine. Come on, Pixie. You're mean. This is a bummer. I know I wanted her to play with us. It's fine. No, it isn't. I want her to play with us. Dad, what are we gonna do? Kids, where's your mother? Dad, I'm starving. Dad, I'm starving. Dad. Where's your mother? She's upstairs in her room. Get her, please, now. Okay. Hey, what's happening? I just got a tornado warning in my phone. Oh my god. Mom. Yes? Dad's home and he seems really scared. You might want to talk to him. Oh, okay, let's go. Okay. Oh, Eileen. Can I talk to you in private? Well, sure. Come on. What? Come on over here. What happened? What happened, Michael? Monica got an alert on her phone, and, well, It's a tornado warning. Wait, what do we do? I don't know. Maybe we could go in the closet. Yeah, okay. Okay. Okay, do we go down or what? Well, yeah, we should go down. Kids, come. Okay, I'm checking my phone. I'm taking my exam books. Okay, who cares about your exam books? Okay, we need to go. Come on, everybody into the closet. Go. Go in. Ew, it's so dirty in here. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh god. Where's Pixie? I'm right here. Can I get my toys first? Okay, fine, hurry. My toy. Pixie. What? I didn't say all of it. Oh, I'm sorry. Just kidding. You go first. No, you go. Okay. Alright, go. Well, it's really cramped now because of Pixie's toys. Oh, it is pretty crammed. Oh. My bow! Yeah. You better play with those toys because this space is not gonna... Oh my god, the bow! This space isn't gonna, like, last forever. I think. Well, what do we do? Well, for now, we could count. Okay, so Violet, are you here? Yep. Cat, are you here? Yep. Pixie, are you here? Yeah. And I saw your mother go. And, Monica, are you here? Yeah. Alright, perfect. And so your mother going. Alright, we're on. Well... Dad, what's going on? I think the tornado is starting. If anything is in front of you, don't go near it. It might be a strong one. What do we do, Dad? Okay, I'm just gonna go outside and we could... I'm gonna go outside. I'm gonna go outside, okay? I'm gonna check. Michael, no, you can't. I have to. I'll be back as soon as possible. I need to hurry. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's getting stronger. I can't get up. I can do this. Kids, just wait in here. We're just gonna wait in here. It's way more stronger in here than outside. Maybe we should just get out. No. Just wait. 20 minutes later. Mom, Mommy, the tornado stopped. Oh, my dog. Michael, the tornado stopped. Well, we can go get out now. Come on, let's go. One by one, come on. Alright, come on. Come on, guys. Oh my god. Why is it? Oh my god. Oh my god. Michael, what did you do? What the flip? How did my toys get out of here? Pixie, it's a tornado. Kids, I'm sorry to say this, but what, Mom? Yeah. Well, we might have to move again. Are you sure? Yeah. Mom, we moved last week here, though. Yes, but it's too dangerous. We might have to move to the United States. It's so expensive there, though. Look, even though it's expensive, it's safe over there. Tornadoes rarely happen on many other storms. So we should move there. It's not only for our own good, but it's for the best. I don't want to go. I'm sorry, Pixie, but you have to. It's just a thing that we have to do. We could sell this house for a lot of money. It's a mini mansion anyway. I guess you're right. Oh my god, my bow. Whatever, I don't care anymore. I guess you're right. Well, I guess so. Hello everybody, it is Kermit here back with another video, and this was a fan video, an LPS tornadoes hit. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed doing it for you guys, and I do have a new intro, so stay tuned for that. Also stay tuned for another video of unpackaging in LPS. Bye guys!